Welcome to Yoga Nidra to help start rewiring the brain with self-love. I am so grateful that you are here, and I hope that you enjoy. To begin, start by finding a quiet place where you will not be disturbed, removing any watch or glasses. Come down to your back, make your head comfortable, arms to your side, legs are straight and feet slightly apart. Start relaxing all the body parts from the head to the toes, aligning the spine, relaxing the facial muscles. Now is the time to invoke your sankalpa, a seed you want to plant in your mind. For this script, we will use the intent. I am creating new neural pathways within my brain. Repeating silently to yourself 3 times now. Relax your whole body. Breathe out all your tensions and weariness. Feel that you are becoming very heavy. Become aware of all the parts of the body, which I will be naming, but do not move them. Just feel the parts and follow my voice. You must not sleep. Become aware of the right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger, whole right hand, whole right shoulder, whole right arm, right side of the chest, waist, hip, whole right leg, right foot, the toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 toes together. Now go to the left side, left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, whole left hand, whole left arm, shoulder, left side of the chest, waist, hip, whole left leg, left foot, the toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 toes together. Feel the 2 feet together, the 2 legs together, the buttocks, stomach, chest, back, the 2 whole shoulder blades, the 2 arms, the neck, head, scalp, forehead, eyes, right ear, left ear, nose, right cheek, left cheek, mouth, lips, tongue, teeth, chin, the whole face, the whole head, the whole neck, the whole back, the 4 limbs, the whole body, whole body, whole body. Feel the connection between your body and the floor. Be aware of the back of your head where it touches the floor, back of your shoulders, back of your arms, buttocks, calf muscles, heels. Now become aware of your breath. Feel the breathing in the lungs, coming and going. Imagine your lungs as a transparent bubble. Every time you breathe in, the bubble expands. Every time you breathe out, the bubble contracts. Now count the numbers of breaths backwards from 10 to 0. Be careful not to lose your count or miss a breath. Now visualize the whole body lying on the floor, completely relaxed and tranquil. Feel the body becoming very hot. Try to experience the sensation of heat throughout the body. Recall the feeling of being very, very hot. Whether due to summer sun, a heater, or warm clothing. Try to create the sensation of heat now. Try to feel the sensation of heat exactly as you have experienced it in the past. If you have never felt extreme heat, then try to feel it now. Next, reverse the feelings. Try to feel cold, shivering cold, as if you were standing outside in the icy wind, wearing only thin clothing. How chilled you would feel. Try to feel that coolness through conscious effort. Because there is no cold wind here, there are no external influences affecting the body to make you feel cold. Create this sensation of cold with your consciousness. Try to experience this cold. Now let go of this mental picture. relax your body and become aware of your heart right in the middle of your chest. Make sure your mouth remains closed and imagine that you are breathing in and out through your heart. You should breathe deeply and be completely aware of each incoming and outgoing breath. Imagine the air you are breathing is a golden color, like mist. You are taking this golden mist into your body through the heart and spreading it about inside. Fill your body with this golden mist. Feel that every time you breathe in, you are clearing out your whole body with this mist and giving you many good qualities. It gives you all forms of goodness, love, honesty, cooperation, understanding, peace, and happiness. As you breathe out all the things you don't want or don't like about yourself, allowing the body to be vulnerable and in need of comfort. Listening to the steady sound of your heart. Imagine that in your heart, the golden mist has formed into a very small golden egg. The golden egg breaks open, and there in your heart, sitting on a beautiful flower, is a tiny little being, the size of your thumb. This little being is surrounded by a cloud of bright light. It is sitting very still and silently and looking at you and sending you love and happiness, telling you you are whole and reminding you you are rewiring the brain and to be patient with yourself. This beautiful little being is filling you with its love. In fact, it is sending you so much love, and the more it gives, the brighter it becomes. It is giving you so much love that you cannot keep it all in. You must send it out to all other people, to your loved ones around you, and send this love to them. Coming back to your breath, the feel of the inhale and the exhale. Now remembering your intention we first started with. I am creating new neural pathways within my brain. Repeat this intent to yourself 3 times now. Now bring your attention back to your body, which is lying on the floor. Notice your surroundings and the sounds coming from outside. Notice your breath, its rhythm and pace. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now done. Before moving, sense your fingers and toes. Draw in a deep breath into your belly and chest, and exhaling out through the mouth. Noticing all the sounds around you. Now moving the fingers and the toes. You may be rocking the head side to side. Taking slow breaths. Thank you for being here and taking this time for yourself. If you enjoyed this audio, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. I hope you have a beautiful day.